We asked botanist Heath Bartosh about his favorite Lime Ridge plant. Most people would point out some showy springtime beauty, but Heath chose a native daisy with small white flowers and sticky stems and leaves. Big tar plant. Tar plants are also called tar weeds. Some types dominate local grasslands in the summer, along with the noxious non-native star thistle. If you've opened the car window on a drive to the mountains in the summer, you've experienced their turpentine-like smell, or maybe they've deposited their black goo on your legs as you've walked through a field. As a group, tar plants are common, but big tar plant is rare.
It is big, one of the biggest tar plants there is. It can get up to 6 feet tall. It's purportedly moth-pollinated, but nobody's ever been able to figure out exactly what pollinates it. Tar plants are cool because they bloom late into the season, and they're sort of cryptic. I mean, not a lot of people are out hiking in the late summer months to find these things. And so there's probably populations that are out there waiting to be found, but the one on Lime Ridge is the northwesternmost, which in genetic terms is significant because it's pushing the edge of its range. But it's such a charismatic thing, and what I haven't mentioned is the smell. The smell of big tar plant is one that you'll never forget. Because
Does it smell like tar?
It does, but each tar plant sort of has its own distinctive smell, and this one has a really sweet odor.
Tar plant's evolutionary role involves waiting. They don't bloom until summer or fall, when most of the other plants have dried up and there's less competition for pollinators. If we want to see them, we have to wait too.
It's also about patience. You can come here to Lime Ridge and you can get wowed by spring wildflowers or the chaparral, but if you're patient enough and you come out in September in the heat, you can be rewarded by the sights and the smells of seeing big tar plant in the ground while getting some amazing views 360 degrees from the top of Lime Ridge.